Most students are broke, and I get it. You're told to focus on your grades, get your degree, and the money will come eventually. But here's the problem with that. Eventually isn't paying your rent, building your future. Definitely isn't what the students who figured this out early are doing. Because right now, there are students, people your age, sitting in lectures just like you, quietly making $50,000 a year on the side. Not by winning the lottery, not by going viral, but by doing 3 specific things that nobody in school ever taught you. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what they are. Now, before I get into it, I want to address something. Most people hear $50,000 while in school and think that's impossible. That's reserved for trust fund kids or tech prodigies. It isn't. Students have something most adults don't. No rent, no dependents, access to free tools, a built-in network of thousands of people your age who need things. That's not a disadvantage. That's a gold mine if you know how to use it. So let me show you the 3 paths. And stay with me because the third one is the one most people completely miss. Method 1. Sell a skill online. The fastest way to your first £1,000 or dollars is to sell a skill you already have. Writing, video editing, graphic design, social media management, coding. Businesses will pay you for these today, not after you graduate. Here's the difference between how most students think about money and how wealthy ones do. Poor students wait for a part-time job to open up. Rich students sell a skill that scales. A student I know started offering basic video editing on Fiverr in his second year of university. Within 6 months, he was earning £1,500 a month, working around his lectures from his laptop. That's not a side hustle. That's a business. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or even direct outreach on LinkedIn. You don't need experience. You need to start. Charge for results, not hours, and watch what happens. But what if you want money that doesn't require you to show up every single day? That's where this next one comes in. Method 2. Build a digital asset. This one takes a little longer to build, but once it's running, it earns while you sleep. Digital products. A $15 study guide, a Notion template, a revision pack. Sell it once on Gumroad or Etsy, then sell it 1,000 times. Think about it. Your campus alone has hundreds of students who need what you already know. One student created a revision pack for her A-level exams, uploaded it, forgot about it. 18 months later, it had sold to over 3,000 students at £12 each. You do the maths. Poor students spend money on textbooks. Rich students sell them. And it's not just products. YouTube, a faceless educational channel, affiliate links. Once you build it, it keeps paying you. The compounding isn't just in investing. It's in assets you create once. Now here's the third method, and this is the one that changes everything. It has nothing to do with social media, and most students walk right past it every single day. Method 3. Monetize your network. Every student is surrounded by opportunity they don't see. Your professors, local business owners, alumni, campus shops, the restaurant down the road that has no social media presence. Here's what most students don't realize. Small businesses will pay you £300 to £500 a month just to manage their Instagram. Find 5 clients. That's £3,000 a month. That's £36,000 a year. And the pitch is simple. Walk in, introduce yourself, and say, "I'm studying marketing. Let me run your social media for free for 30 days and show you what I can do." Most businesses say yes, because you've taken away all the risk. Poor students underestimate who's already around them. Rich students monetize the room they're in. Combine all 3 of these, a skill, a digital product, and 1 or 2 local clients. And £50,000 a year isn't a dream. It's a plan. But here's the part nobody talks about. Because earning £50,000 means nothing if you do what most students do with it next. Most young people who start earning do the same thing. They spend it. New phone, nights out, things that feel good in the moment and disappear by Monday. And look, I'm not saying don't enjoy your money, but the students who build real wealth do one thing differently. They invest before they spend. Even £2,000 in a low-cost index fund at 19 years old, left alone for 30 years, you're looking at over £30,000 from £2,000. That's not a magic trick. That's compound interest, and it only works if you start. Poor students earn and spend. Rich students earn, invest first, then spend what's left. If you want me to break down exactly how to set up your first income stream step by step, that video is right up there. Go watch it. And if you want to keep growing your wealth, make sure you're subscribed. I'll see you in the next one.